In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create websites for local businesses with Claude Sonnet. Let's dive into this exciting journey where we'll work together to build an effective online presence for a local business. First, we're going to open Claude. Go ahead and navigate to Claude's platform. It's an essential first step because Claude is where we handle the core of our web development process. Once there, proceed to either sign in or, if it's your first time, create an account. Signing in ensures you have access to your dashboard and all the tools you'll need to start building a website. With access to Claude, the next step is to gather all the necessary business details. This step is crucial as it lays the foundation for your website content. Ensure you collect details like the business name and a comprehensive overview of the services offered. Having this information ready will streamline the process as these details will form the backbone of your website's content and branding. Now, with all the business information at your fingertips, it's time to ask Claude to create a website plan. Engage with Claude and provide it with the business details you gathered. Claude is designed to utilize this information to craft a structured plan that outlines the different sections and pages your website needs. This plan is like a roadmap, guiding us through the rest of the build process. Next up is generating the website content. With the plan from Claude in place, you can start using Claude's powerful AI capabilities to generate engaging and relevant content. This content includes headlines, body text, and calls to action that resonate with the target audience. Remember, it's important to tailor this content in a friendly and informative manner, ensuring it reflects the unique identity of the business you're working with. Following content creation, it's time to generate the website design. Here, Claude's design tools come into play. You can choose from a variety of templates and style elements that align with the business's brand aesthetic. This design process is flexible, so you can adjust colors, layouts, and typography to ensure the website is visually appealing and user-friendly. Once your design is ready, the next step is to generate the code. Claude makes this seamless by providing the necessary code to bring your design and content to life on the web. This automated generation helps simplify and speed up the development process, especially if you're not familiar with coding. Next, enhance the website's visibility by adding local SEO elements. This involves optimizing the content and technical aspects of the site to improve search engine rankings. By focusing on local SEO, you ensure that the business is more visible to potential customers in its geographical area. Finally, create images that complement the website's content and design. Use visual content to enhance user engagement and support the message you're conveying. You can create high-quality images using graphic design software or sourcing from reputable stock photo websites. With these images in place, your website will look polished and professional. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a website for local businesses using Claude Sonnet. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.